Big news today, finance is changing fast. Tokenization is here. But what does it mean, and why is everyone talking about it? Let's break it down step by step. Imagine owning real estate, but instead of papers and lawyers, it's digital, secure, and instant. That's tokenization. Tokenization means creating tokens. Each token represents a piece of an asset. It could be real estate, stocks, bonds, even gold, art, or luxury cars. Tokens live on a blockchain that makes them secure and transparent. No middleman needed, no complex paperwork. Just digital ownership and fast transactions. Think of a skyscraper in London. Normally, only billionaires can buy it, but tokenization splits it into tokens. Now anyone can own a fraction. It makes investing democratic and lowers barriers for entry. It also adds liquidity. Because tokens are easier to trade, unlike selling a building, tokens can move in seconds. This is revolutionary. Banks are paying attention. Financial giants are testing tokenization. BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, Citi, all exploring tokenized assets. They see $1 trillion market and they don't want to miss it. The European Union is watching too. So is the United States. Both are building legal frameworks to regulate tokenized assets, but it's not just real estate. Stocks and bonds can be tokenized, even private equity and funds, luxury watches, artwork, music rights, anything with value can be turned into tokens. It's called real-world asset tokenization, and it's shaken up finance. This is bigger than DeFi hype. It's Wall Street level disruption. Why does this matter for you? Tokenization makes investing accessible. Imagine owning 0.01% of a Picasso or a small slice of government bonds, all through your phone with blockchain security and fast settlement times. This changes the game. It creates new opportunities for small investors worldwide. Not just the rich, but there are challenges. Regulation is still unclear. Will tokens be treated like securities? How will taxes apply? And what about fraud? These are real questions. Governments are working on answers. The European Central Bank is cautious. The United States SEC is still debating. But momentum is unstoppable. Tokenization keeps growing. Experts say by 2030, tokenized assets could hit $16 trillion. That's bigger than many stock markets. This isn't a dream, it's already happening. Switzerland, Germany, Singapore, they already allow tokenized bonds. Real estate projects are launching, even music royalties are tokenized step by step. The future is unfolding, so what's next? Tokenized real estate exchanges. Instant trading of government bonds, fractional ownership of art collections, 24/7 markets without borders. Finance will never be the same. Tokenization is the bridge between traditional finance and blockchain, and it's happening now, not tomorrow, but today. The big question, are you ready for it? Because tokenization isn't just theory, it's practical, real, and coming fast.